السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. اللهم صل على محمد وآل بيت محمد. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Hello everybody, I hope you are having a wonderful day. Today we are going to talk about Unit 5, Lesson 10, a school trip. This is a very simple and easy lesson. It does not have many information in it, so it is not going to bother you a lot. I hope you enjoy it, and thank you for tuning in and being great all throughout this year and these months. So let us start. Look at the photos. Have you been to these places and seen these things? Now read the text and find words for the places and things in the photos. Look at the photos. What can you see? Where do you think these things are? Of course, they are in a museum. These are ancient swords. This is an ancient jewelry. This is a sculpture, and this is a cuneiform writing. Okay? Cuneiform writing. It is كتابة المسمارية. تعرفوها جميعا من التاريخ. I want you, when I'm going to read this text, I want you to pay attention to words that are in such shapes. Okay? The history of Iraq is the history of all humanity. Last week we went on a school trip to the National Museum of Iraq. It is a very nice building and you feel calm there. A lot of artifacts and relics were first collected in a government building in Baghdad in 1922. In 1966, the Iraqi government moved the collections into the new two-story museum building in Al-Salhiyya in Al-Karkh in Baghdad. This building is the National Museum of Iraq. Pay attention to this word, artifact. Look at it. It is artifact. Artifact. We arrived at the museum at 10 o'clock. When we went inside, a museum guide gave us some worksheets with information about the things in the museum and the questions to answer. We divided into groups of 4. I was with Mazen, Osama and Jalal. We stayed first on the ground floor and we went to the Assyrian and Babylonian galleries. Okay, galleries. Pay attention to this word. We wanted to look at the Mesopotamian cuneiform text, which date back to 1500 BC. We also looked at the Assyrian sculpture of the winged bull, Lamasso, with its 5 legs. Then we looked at the fine pieces of Assyrian jewelry that were found in the royal tombs or at Namrud. My friend Mazen took brilliant photos in the Sumerian and Akkadian galleries. We also wandered in the Ivory Gallery, where we saw some furnishings decorated with ivory, gold and precious stones. Once we had visited all the galleries and answered all the questions on our worksheets, we went to the cafeteria on the ground floor. Then we went to the gift shop I bought a postcard and Jalal bought a beautiful cup with a golden pattern on it. We had a fantastic time at the museum and we learned a lot about many civilizations in Iraq. I want to come again soon to study the beautiful jewelry because one day I want to be a jewelry designer. Okay? Look at these words. We have galleries, Mesopotamian, sculpture, jewelry. Look here. Now we are going to know what does these new words mean. Okay? Artifact. Look at the sentence. The thief stole that precious artifact from the museum. What is an artifact? Look, these are what? These are artifacts. They are old sculptures or old things made in the past. Okay? Like statues, like urns and animal faces and so on. Okay, we call them what? Artifacts. Gallery. What is a gallery? You all know it. It is in your phone. We find the pictures in it and videos, but more sophisticatedly, we went to an art gallery last Sunday. Art gallery. What is an art gallery? Look, this is an art gallery. It has paintings, it has sculptures and so on. Okay, we call it what? An art gallery. Mesopotamian. We learned about the history of Mesopotamian today in school. Mesopotamian is the land of Iraq. In the past, they called it what? Mesopotamian. Mesopotamian. It is a very difficult word. Okay, they called it like that. It is the land of Iraq in the past. Look at it. They called Mesopotamia. Sorry. It is the land between the two rivers, Euphrates and Tigris. Sculpture. They showed us the winged bull sculpture. It is made of what? It is made of... What do you think? Give me that answer. What do you think the sculptures are made of? Look, this is a sculpture of the winged bull. Winged bull. Jewelry. My mom bought a golden jewelry today. Jewelry are these things which women like. Earrings, necklaces, and so on. Okay, rings and so on. They are called, all of them, jewelry. They can be made of gold, silver, precious stones, or they can be made of diamond, which are the most expensive things of jewelry. Now let's look at lesson 10, exercise A. Look again at the text on student's book, page 57. Answer the following comprehension questions. When did the museum get its first collection? And where was it stored? The museum got its first collection in 1966. It was stored in the government building. In which district is the National Museum of Iraq? It is in Al-Salhiyya, Al-Karkh district. What is the name of the winged bull? It is called Lamassu or Lamasso. Where was the Assyrian jewelry found? Assyrian jewelry found in the royal tombs of Namrud. Tombs معناها معبد. Royal ملكي. In the royal tombs of Namrud. You all know Namrud. Which floor is the cafeteria on? On the ground floor. It is on the ground floor. What did Jalal buy from the gift shop? He bought a pretty cup with golden patterns on it. Okay, I hope the lesson is clear to all of you, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask me. Thank you for tuning in and have a nice day. By the way, this is your homework, exercise B. You either choose one of these words, okay? While or because, as a result, as soon as, and so on, okay? This is your homework. Thank you very much.